Hey guys, it's Jenny Silver. I'm going to show you how I certify for benefits when I have received a payment from YouTube. So for those of you who are self-employed, you are required to certify for your income. Now, if you are self-employed, you are required to claim that income when the payment is received. Oftentimes we don't know what we're being paid or what we're going to earn until it comes in. And then we must subtract our business expenses. So we must certify for it at the time that it is received. If you want more clarification on how to certify, when you are required to certify, please check the video description for some additional videos. Now, I received a payment from Google AdSense because I'm a YouTuber who earns income on ad revenue on my videos. So I have to claim that income. Now that will disqualify me for receiving my benefits for that week because I'm earning income that's above a certain threshold. So I'm going to show you exactly how I do this. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to log into UI Online. I'm going to click Certify for Benefits and click Certify for Benefits. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and walk you through my certifications for this. Now, the first week here, 7/12 to 7/18, was not the week that I received a payment. So I'm going to answer these questions as if I did not work, because I didn't. Were you too sick or injured to work? No. Was there any other reason that you could not have accepted full-time work? No. Did you look for work? Yes. Did you refuse any work? No. Did you receive disability, private income insurance, or supplemental unemployment? No. Did you work or earn money? No. Next. Now, I am not required to list my work search history at this time due to the pandemic and EDD's requirements, so I'm going to skip this page. All right, you indicated in question 6 you did not work or earn money. Did you receive any other type of income? No, I did not. Next. All right, week 2. Now, 7/19 through 7/25, this is the week where I did earn the income. Was I too sick or injured to work? No. Was there any reason that I could not have accepted work? No. Did you look for work? Yes. Did I refuse work? No. Did you receive disability or other income? No. Did you work or earn money? Yes. Okay, and then it's going to ask, do I want federal tax withheld? I'm going to say yes. Do I have a change in mailing address? No, I do not. Okay, work search record. I'm not required to search for work at this time, so I'm going to skip it. All right, I indicated on question 6 that I worked or earned money, whether I was paid or not. So did I earn any of these? Yes, I earned self-employment income, so I'm going to say yes. Did I receive any other type of income? No. Next. Okay, so now I'm going to enter in my employer information. I am self-employed and I have my own company, which is an LLC, so I have a DBA, so I'm going to type in my business name here. If you're self-employed and you do not have a business name, you would type in your own first and last name and information. Okay, date that I worked. Gross earnings. Okay, now I'm going to cite below in the video description exactly where the EDD says this, but the EDD, as we all know, has been very inconsistent on updating their information for the self-employed. All of their systems are set up for W-2 earners, so they have not updated some things that should be changed for self-employed. One of them is this gross earnings right here. Now I'm going to link you to the exact video that says that self-employment is an exception to this. Self-employed individuals are claiming their net income after they have taken out their cost of doing business from their specific income. So if you have inventory, if you have specific overhead charges for that sale or that income that you made, you are going to remove those expenses and then transfer your owner's draw from your business account into your personal account, and that will be the amount that you claim. Now, make sure you don't do anything shady. Don't withhold funds and just not transfer them. But that way you have a paper trail and clear proof. So, what I transferred into my personal account from an owner's draw after business expenses was $2,000. So if $1,000 or more, you're going to enter 99999. That's because if it's beyond a certain amount of income, they don't care because it already has disqualified you from receiving your benefits. So I'm going to enter this in. Okay, wage type is self-employment. Employer type is self-employment. Are you still going to work for this employer? Okay, I am going to say no here because all of my wedding contracts, all of my work has been rescheduled for 2021. And the only income that I'm receiving from YouTube is pretty much you don't know how much you're going to make or when it's going to come. So I do not have regular hours scheduled for this employer, so I would select no. What is your employment status? I am laid off due to lack of work related to coronavirus. Okay, that is what I am going to select because all of my wedding contracts have been moved to next year. So essentially my business is closed. Now, should I receive another payment, I will make sure to claim it on my biweekly certifications at that time. All right, if you reported wages earned while performing self-employment, would you have been willing to change or stop your self-employment to resume full-time work? You must select yes here. If you are working full-time or you no longer need unemployment insurance benefits, check this box. I'm not going to check it. Do you have any additional employers? No, I do not. Next. Okay, let's see, I made some kind of an error. Oh, total hours worked for this employer. Okay, so I'm going to just estimate the number of hours it took me to make the video and answer some comments. I'm going to just write in 2 hours here. Okay, and then it wants me to give more information here on what is your employment status. Okay, so I'm going to say all business contracts have been canceled or moved to 2021 due to COVID-19 events restrictions. Okay, all of my weddings have been moved to next year, and I have contracts to prove it. Okay, scrolling down. Next. Okay, employer mailing address has been formatted to meet the U.S. postal code. Yes, I'm going to use that one. Okay, we're going to confirm my answers down below. You will see that I did work on the second week, but not on the first week. So I will receive my benefits for the first week. I will not receive my benefits for the second week. And there's a summary. Week 1 has no work details. Week 2 has all these work details because I did earn income. Okay, I am going to enter in that, and I'm going to click submit. Okay, all done.